Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will show you how to check mentions on Instagram. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and ensuring that you are logged in. If you're not logged in, please use your login credentials to log in or create a new account. Once you're on the home screen of Instagram, locate the inbox icon in the top right corner, represented by a messenger icon. Tap on it. Now, you're in the inbox of your Instagram, where you can view all your Instagram chats and conversations. Here, you can find the mention message from the user who mentioned you. Simply tap on that conversation. This will open the chat between you and the person who mentioned you. Here, you'll find the mentioned message. To view that mention, simply tap on it. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.